Hi everyone, my name is Daryl. I'm from Forex Pros, and I will be demonstrating how to use the manual Hi-5 trading strategy. Okay, first of all, I'd like to explain why it's called the manual Hi-5 strategy. Manual because it's not automated. Hi-5 because every time the price retraces, so that means goes the opposite way that different from your trade. So maybe it's a downward trend, but maybe your position is going up a little bit. That's called a retracement. Okay, so if it's going a little bit opposite of your trade, that's usually the market retracing. Okay, a lot of people get faked out as beginners because they believe that the market, oh, it's going the other way, but it's just retracing and it's going to continue the other way. Okay, because the market moves in waves. So we tried to change retracements into something positive instead of everyone hating the market to go against them. Usually that's what everybody could agree on. They feel the same about that. No one likes the market to go the opposite way. But using the Hi-5 strategy, we kind of welcome a little bit of retracement. So if the market, whatever the market does, if it retraces or if it does go the other way, we're rewarded either way. Because we'll make a little bit more profit. Okay, so that's why we call it the Hi-5. So it'll grab a little bit more profit when it retraces. So we actually look forward to it. So it turns retracements into a positive instead of a negative. Okay, so we're going to be using a smartest trend indicator, which you can see here, and how we can determine this is well, first of all, we're only in our live demos and our live accounts, we actually are only trading these two right now, pound New Zealand dollar and pound yen, and you see there's just some changes right here. So it's live, it's changing as the market moves. Okay, and you can see with pound New Zealand dollar, it's more of a downtrend. It outweighs 3/4, right? And 3 in a row too. So that's more of a downtrend. And here is more of an uptrend, but it's not a strong uptrend because it's not 3 in a row like we see here. Okay, but you do see that the candles are all red. All of the time frames for the 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly are all green. So they're all going up. Okay, but the trend and the trend is also going up more as well. So we would say that the pound yen is more of an uptrend, and we would say that the pound New Zealand dollar is more of a downtrend. Okay, which one moves more? If we're just analyzing the average candle range, we would say that the pound New Zealand dollar moves a little bit more. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to look at our smartest trend indicator, and then we are going to go ahead and get into position using our Forex Tester 3 software. Okay, that the Forex Tester 3 software is software that you can back test the market as if it was happening in live time, which is awesome. So this software is really awesome. I recommend that you demo the strategy first, or you can get the Forex Tester. You can use the Forex Tester 3 software to practice and gain some valuable trading experience. And you can save $50 to $100 depending on the time of the year it is if you go to forextester.com/special partner partner what is this equal symbol Forex testing pros. Okay, so that's all, no spaces, just all one. You just put that into your URL and you save $50 to $100 on a Forex Tester 3 if that's what you would like to use to practice after you see me use it and you feel that you would like to gain some valuable experience using Forex Tester 3 as well. You can do that, or you can use the demo, and you can get a free demo at globalprime.au.com/Forex. Okay, so that's Global Prime. Everyone, people that are from the United States, Japan, and North Korea are not allowed to open live accounts, but you are more than welcome to open up as many demo accounts as you'd like. Okay, so that's great to know for free. Okay, so we're going to just look at our smartest trend indicator. What pair is trending the best? Let's see. It looks like Euro New Zealand is the strongest so far, from what I can see. Pound Canada is very close as well, just one arrow different. That's the same as Euro New Zealand, just one candle different, which is the monthly. So I believe that this is even maybe a stronger trend Euro New Zealand than the Pound Canada, because this one is a weekly trend, is down. Okay, so if it was maybe the opposite, so just one arrow off is, I still believe that it's a strong uptrend. Okay, pretty strong, pretty good. Okay, so we're just looking through here, looking for what's a strong trend. Okay, so I haven't seen a perfectly strong trend. Okay, there's nothing across the board that's just strong, but those would be my two choices. Okay, but I'm just gonna go ahead and go with pound yen. Okay, I'm just gonna go pound yen and I'm gonna go for buy. Okay, so every time I will get into a position, I'm just gonna confirm that it's going up if I'm trading live in the markets. Okay, Forex Tester 3, I'm just showing you this for example, but for Forex Tester 3, is just, we're going to be testing a month straight. Okay, so we're just gonna start now. Okay, here's the Forex Tester 3 software. You can see I was already previously testing with the US dollar yen pair, 1 hour time frame. I made $70 already. I'm only how far? This is the third, so it's like only the third day. $70 from maybe this is the first day of the week, because yeah, I believe it is, because after the weekend. Okay, let me move this down a little bit, see if I can see something a little bit better. Yep, see a little bit better there. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start a new project. Name the project, we're gonna call this the manual Hi-5 strategy. Okay, strategy explainer. Well, instruction video. Okay, and we're gonna start with $5,000 as we always recommend. We're gonna push next, and we're gonna use the pound yen pair. Okay, and we're gonna test 1 month. Okay, so we see that pound yen goes from 2015 to 2014, December 2014. So right before January of 2015. So we're going to just start at the last data that the last year that they have. They have 2014. So we're going to just start January 2014 to February 2014. Okay. Let's see here. January 2014. Okay, so I'm just going to start on Wednesday, which is the 1st. Okay, so if it falls on a weekend, you want to make sure that you put it for the week, for Monday. Okay, so it doesn't have any errors. And I'm just going to go ahead and go back to January as well. Oops, Okay, February, I mean, February. Okay, see here, this is Saturday, this is Sunday, and we want to start on the 3rd. Okay, so that's what I believe happened here as well, the 3rd. So trick a little bit. Okay, so we're going to use 1 minute and tick data. Advanced settings, use floating spread. Yes. Okay, since we already do have the tick data, we want the most accurate data that we can get. Okay, we're going to apply that, and we're going to go ahead and push next. Okay, start testing from the first date in the range. Yes, we've already set it to be at the first, so we're just going to keep it there. Or you can set start date from a different date in the history. Okay, so I'll just push that so you can see it. So if I wanted to put it start somewhere else within that month, if I wanted to start it in the 2nd week or, somewhere else, then I can do that. Okay, but I'm just going to start in the beginning. Okay, and I'm going to create. Since it's only 1 month to load, it should really be quick. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this, move this here, and I am going to set up my charts now. So since we're going to be trading on the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to go over to 1 hour. Okay. And now I'm just going to set everything how I like it. No grid. Make it nice and clean. Chart settings. Okay, background black, yes. Candle up. I like black background because it's a little less stress on the eyes. Okay, kind of night mode all the time. It's just easier on the eyes. Okay, candle up, green, good. Candle down, we're gonna make that red. Okay, we're gonna make candle up, green again, and candle down, red. Okay, great. So this is how we like our candles, and we're just gonna keep it like that. Let's see, main colors, additional colors, settings. Okay, we don't need anything here. Show ask level, it's fine. That's the most that I'll do. And I'm gonna push OK. Okay, so now our chart is set, and now I'm gonna just add an indicator, the Bollinger Bands and the 200 MA. Okay, so add indicator. I'm just going to go to Bollinger Bands here. 20 period, 2 deviation. Good. That's that should be the standard settings. Okay. 20 period, 2 deviation. Okay. Apply. And we're all set. Okay, so there's nothing here yet because I haven't pushed start test. So once I push start test, because I don't see the pause button anywhere. I thought there was, but there's another. If I go to testing, okay, you see pause there. So I'm just gonna push this, and I'm gonna hurry up and go to the pause. Push that. Okay, I'm gonna go to testing and pause. Good. Okay, so now I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller here. You see the increase that a little bit. Okay, and now if I push the space bar, then one candle will print for 1 hour. Okay, you see that? Okay, I'm just looking for the, oh, there we go. There's the Bollingers. Okay, so now they're coming along. Just push the space bar a few times. So I didn't exactly start on the, right at the first minute of the, it's okay. I actually started maybe the day after, right? Okay, so let's see how many candles this is. Just, yeah, a day and a half, not a big deal. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start here. The trend looks down, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it a downtrend. So what I'm gonna do is, oh wait, I forgot to set my 200 MA. I'm gonna go ahead and add moving average. Moving average would be down at the M's. Moving average. Okay, here's moving average. Good. And we're gonna set our period to 200. We'll make it a little bit thicker since it's like a pretty strong signal. Width. We'll make it right about here, the third one. Let me push OK. Okay, simple. I'll change it to exponential so it's more precise. Exponential moving average, good. And I will time frames. Yeah, 1 hour is fine. Okay. Oh, that's good to know. That's good to know. Okay, apply. Because it wasn't showing me the Bollingers on the other periods, and now I figured out actually just now why, because I didn't set it for the other time frames. Okay, so now that everything's pretty much set, now all we have to do is start trading. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate 1 month for you here. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so there's different settings I can put. I can either make my settings to be more conservative, or I can make them to be a little bit more risky. Okay, me personally, because it's in the beginning of the month, and I'm just starting out with 5,000. Maybe if I already grew a few thousand, I would be a little bit more risky, but I'm going to be a little bit more conservative. I'm not going to be super conservative, but I'm going to be more conservative. So I'm not going to start with 0.1. Okay, I'm going to be a little bit more. For me, if you want to be super conservative, you would start with 0.02. Okay, that's very conservative. Want to be a little medium, less. This is 0.05, and if you want to be a little bit more risky, the most I would go is 1.1. Okay, with a $5,000 account. Okay, and I will use 4 to 5 of these limit orders. Okay, so since we're starting at 0.05, I'm going to keep it there, and we're going to always be going for 10 pips. Okay, we're going to be going for 10 pips. So it's already set here. It looks like 100, but it's because it's actually in points. So it's 100 points because there's an extra, it's 10.0. Okay, that's how it actually is, because it's in points. So that's the extra decimal point there. Okay, so and then if I just want to push take profit, I just want it to be 10 pips. I could just push this button right here. Okay, and it'll put exactly 10 pips. Boop, you see that? Okay. That's going for sell. Okay, so now if I wanted to erase that, I could just press the X. Okay, and now maybe I say, I could draw a line if I wanted to draw a line. And over here on the right hand side, you can see it says take profit 154. Remember, it's points. So this is already 15 pips above. Okay, so below, there you go. Here's and you see how hard it is to get this exactly right. So it comes in so handy to be able to use that, the tool that you can just, so if I push this here, that was 11. So I actually pushed 11. I couldn't get it right at 10. So if I didn't like that, I could just press the X here. I could just set it to here, set it easy, just push it. It's already there. Love that. Okay. And remember, we're going to be going a little fast here, but you can always pause it, take some notes if you would like to. Watch this as many times as you like to. And also keep in mind, it's going to be a lot slower in real time, because each one of these candles represents 1 hour. Okay, so time is not going to be going as I'm going to be blowing through this pretty quick. Like maybe in 1 hour, I'm going to be done testing a whole month. So we're just going through to get, so you can see how to do the strategy, and then it will be easy for you to try it on your own when you're ready. Okay, all right, here we go. So I already put it for 10 pips or 100 points. I already pushed it, so it's right there. It's all ready. All I have to do is push the sell. So I have one market order already set. It's already in position. Now I'm going to set pending orders, which means that I'm not going to get in right now. I'm going to get in, set it for a little bit later. Okay, so I'm going to set these. I'm just going to push this here. Remember, we're 0.05. Make sure these are correct. We're going to put a sell limit. So that means even though it's going up and it hits right here, we believe it's still going to go down. And if I put a sell limit here, we believe even if it's going up, and then when it touches here, it's going to come down. Okay, that's what a sell limit is. If we put a sell stop, So there's a sell stop. So there's a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. What is a stop? Okay, a stop order is when if I had a sell stop here, okay, I couldn't have a sell stop here actually. Okay, what I would have would be, it would have to, if this was the market and I had an order right here, it would have to be, if I want to go down, it would have to be a sell limit. If I want to put a sell stop, it would have to be below where the current market price is already at. So I could put a sell stop right here and it would just go and it would just continue to go down. Okay, but if you put a sell limit, it's above the point. That means it's going to touch there and it's going to continue to go down. All right, and vice versa for buy limits and buy stops. Okay, all right. I hope you understand that, and if you don't, watch it a few more times to try to, get it into your memory. And if that doesn't help after like some time, a couple days, a week, and you're still confused, just go ahead and message us at forextestingpros.com, or you can go to you can visit us on Facebook at facebook.com/forextestingpros. Okay, we'll be happy to help. Now we're going to go ahead and put our pending orders. So I'm just going to go ahead and put one here. Okay, I usually get 4 to 5. All right, rare situations I'll get 6. Okay, but 4 to 5 usually, sometimes 6. Okay, so we already have what price, and now we have to put our target, and I'm just going to put our target right a little bit before where our other target is, because it doesn't need to get all the way there. Actually, this is so many more pips than where the current price is at. So I'm just going to put a little bit before, and now I am good. I'm going to place the order. Okay, order of this type cannot be placed at the requested price. Okay, so, you see why? Because I have a sell stop instead of a sell limit. Okay, so now I'm gonna set this again, and I'm gonna place it again. All right, and it went right in. Now I'm gonna do that again at this price. Let me say at this price. Okay, place the order. So I have 3 orders now, 2 pendings and 1 market order. Okay, and I'm just gonna get 1 more pending order for now. Okay, for later. So I'm gonna just at what price? At this price here. Okay, and take profit right around there. Place the order, and we're good to go. We have 3 pending and 1 market order, so we have 4 positions total. Down here, you can see your open positions. You can see your pending orders, which haven't been filled yet, and you can see account history. Okay, I usually like to keep it on account history just because you can see everything a little bit easier, I believe. Okay, so I'll just keep it here, and we're gonna go. I'm gonna push the space bar, and let's get this done. Okay, and that is okay. Maybe I should just keep it on open position so I can see when it got out a little bit easier. Okay, now I'm gonna keep those pendings the same, and I'm gonna set a market order again. Okay, I'm just gonna push this, take profit, and I'm just gonna like that. Okay. Got it again. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh, that's pending. Market order. Sell. Okay. Got out of that one quickly too. Just gonna do the same thing. Market order. All right, you see I've already made $16. Okay, $21 now. We're just gonna we already have those sell limits just in case it retraces a lot. But if not, we're just gonna, if it keeps getting out of our market order positions, we're gonna just keep setting them, okay? All right. All right, So we got out of there. Now we're at 52. Okay, we're going sell again. So we're gonna just put sell, sell. We're gonna put some pending orders. Okay, at what price? Okay. 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 Take profits. I'm gonna move these take profits down here. Okay. All right, we have one position in order. Now we're just gonna go ahead and go. Okay, we have two positions now. All right, we have $160. Okay, great. And now we're gonna get back in market order. Okay. Pending orders. Place that order. Okay, we got 3, and I will go for one market order. 10 pips. Sell. Here we go. Okay, got another one. Let's just do another market order. Okay. All right, got out of that one. All right, great. We're about a little less than halfway through the month, and we are already at $441. Our goal is $600 a month, and we are very close to it. Okay, and of course we're following our 5-year retirement plan. So our goal is to make either $30 a day, $150 a week, or just simply $600 a month. Okay, so here we go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get another market order. And going for sell. Pending orders now. All of our pendings have been hit. We're gonna set it at support and resistance levels. Okay, so what is a support and resistance level? Okay, so if the price is going, so let's talk about it according to the price here. Okay, so the price is right here where this white or gray line is at. Okay, if price is going up and it hits this part right here, then that means it hit a resistance level. Okay, so a resistance is like the roof. Okay, and if it was coming down here and it hit an important level, maybe we would have to zoom out a little bit more to see it, but since I have this, this order here, I haven't filled it yet. I'm just explaining support and resistance really quick. And if it hits the support, that means the ground. Okay, so you want to put it at important roofs and floors. Okay, so support and resistance levels. So here, right here, you can see this is a good level right here. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click this right here, take profit a little above. Right there, looks good. All right, I'll go ahead and set another one, another pending. Oh, but before I do that, let me just go ahead and zoom. Okay, so and then you can see this is right here on the Bollinger. This is a good support level right here. Okay, it's a good support level right there. All right, so we're going to just go ahead and continue. I'm going to zoom back in. I just wanted to show you that so I can see a little bit better. Okay, setting pendings. Okay, just going to go and set my pending orders. There's another good level right here. I'll put a little bit before. Okay, so I have 1, 2. I already have one position here, so 1, 2, 3. I need to set one more. At what price? I'll say at this price right around here. Take profit right down here, and we're gonna place that order. Okay, good. Everything looking good. Here we go. Okay, so I've already got out of that position. I'm gonna set another one, pending. Okay, and sell. Okay, now I'm just gonna push space bar. All right, got out of that position. And now I'm gonna set another pending. Okay, now if this seems easy to you, this will even be easier in real life because the market is even slower in real life. You see how I breezed through already testing half of a month within less than 15-20 minutes, right? I'll just say less than 30 minutes. I don't remember exactly the time I started, but let's just say less than 30 minutes. I've already breezed through half of a month, which is amazing. So another 30 minutes, we should be done. Okay, probably even less. Okay, so once you get used to this, it'll get easier and easier. You'll get faster and faster. And then when you're in real market situations, you'll already have experience and you'll kind of have a feel for the market already. Okay, all right, so here we go. Let's continue. I'm in position here. I'm just going to push the space bar. Okay, good. Got out of that position quickly, and now I'm going to bring everything down, back down here. And okay, so yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get in the market order first. Sell, great. And I'm gonna get in one more. Put it for right here. Okay, great, here we go. Oh, okay, that was really quick. Okay, so now I'm just going to set even more. Okay, and if it starts to go above this level, I'm going to look to go the other way. And yeah, okay. So let's see how many pips this is from down here to up here. Wow. Okay, so that's way too many. 416 pips. Wow. So we want to already be turning around. When it gets over this level, okay, less than 300 pips for sure. That's a lot of pips. Pound yen is a mover, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off 18 and 17 pendings. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna keep 17. I'm gonna take off 18 for sure. Pendings number 18. Where are you? Okay, there we go. I right clicked and delete pending order. There you go. And if you want to use the hotkey, you can push F6. Okay, so now I deleted that, and now I'm going to go ahead and move everything down. So first, I'm going to go ahead and get a market order and sell. Okay, and I'm going to put everything on the other side of that. I don't really have to do that, but I did. It's okay. Okay, and now I'll put another sell limit pending. At what price? I'll say it about below. Let's see. Important level here. Make sure. Great. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, and if it goes above this level again, then I will look to go buy. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, are you going to buy or sell? What are you doing? Just gotta watch the market. You don't know which way it's gonna go. You just gotta wait and be patient. Okay, and okay, it wants to go up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let's see how much negative I'm at. Okay, I'm 500 negative. 0.05. I'm gonna go. Let me see. Okay. Compare it to something. Okay, so under 70 pips, that's what I'm gonna go for, under 70. So I think 65 should be great. Okay, so let's see. Let's just say it'll be 1,000. It'll be 1,000. So how do I get 2,000 divided by $10 equals 200? No, that's not enough. Let's see, $1,500 divided by 15 equals 100 pips. Okay, I'm not gonna go for that many then. I know for sure I wanna go. I'm just gonna draw a line here. Okay, right under this resistance level. Okay, try to make sure I get it more. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set a market order for 1.5, and take profit is going to be 650 because that's 65 pips. Okay, and that's gonna be for buy. I'm gonna set that here. Oh, look, it was very close to where I set, and I'm gonna put this take profit is going to be the take profit for the stop loss for the rest of the positions. Okay, so I got to go through here, and so it just goes out effortlessly. All of them just close at the exact same time. That's what you want. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the stop loss. I've already copied the take profit from the other ones. I'm just going to put the stop loss here. Okay, and you'll see here, you'll see it start. You'll see, oh, maybe you'll see it here. Let's see if I push it 1, 2, 3. Oh, incorrect stop loss. Oh, this is for the buy order. That's why. Okay, so of course that would be the incorrect stop loss for the buy order. So I'll put it here, and that should be good. Okay, it showed up right there on top of that. Okay, and we're just gonna keep going through and doing that. So when the price does reach this area, all of them will close at the same time. Okay, instead of you get there, just that one position close, and then you have to manually close all of them. You never want that to happen, especially if you're about to go to sleep or you're leaving for an hour or two. You definitely want to set these, because the price can jump on you because of some important news that happened in the economic calendar and you didn't check, and you weren't prepared, or any news. You just want to be ready. Okay, unless you're watching, and then you're ready because you're watching. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue to set these. Okay, all done. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and move forward here, and we've already set everything, and we're just gonna go. Okay, that's our exit zone, so let's see how this goes. And see something. Okay, good. Okay. I'll possibly look to go the other way when it gets to 2000, yeah, 2000 or so. Hopefully it doesn't. Okay. Okay, good. Shouldn't. Okay, good. All right, that's what should have happened. Great. Perfect. And that's that. Great. Okay. So we got out of that position, and now we're going to go ahead and continue. Okay. So we're going to now we're going the other way. We're going for buy now. So we're going to set this 0.05. And if you thought that was a little it was a little uncomfortable, it was a little scary for me to see 1,100. That was a little nerve-wracking. That was pretty difficult for me. Okay, well then maybe you want to start with 0.02 and you want to be a little bit more conservative. Okay, and then if you start at 0.02, you can have one lot or less. One lot or less to recover the going the other way. Okay. All right. So here we go. We've already set that. We're just going to change this back to what it was. It's already a buy. Set it. All right. Here we go. And we're going to set our pending orders at what? Okay. Buy limit at this price here. Take profit a little before there. Place the order, same thing. Go a little right about there. Take profit right about there. Place the order. Okay, and we're going to just continue to do that. We're going to just go ahead and grab this and move that here. Take profit here. Place the order. Okay, so now we have 3 pending orders and we have 1 market order. And I think I want more pending order. So I'm just going to set 1 more pending order here, right at the 200 MA. 200 MA finally showed up. It took a while. Okay. Oops. I forgot this is the 650. Okay. All right, here we go. Okay, got that one. Market order. Got that one again. Oops. No need for pending. Market order. Buy. This is pending again. Market order. Okay, take profit. 10 pips up. Buy. Good. Okay. We're just going to keep doing that. Okay. Oops. Okay, so now it's trying to go the other way. Now it looks like it wants to go the other way. So we're gonna go ahead and let's see how much negative we are. Okay, 500, similar to before. We are going to go ahead and set a market order going the other way. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set all of the stop losses for those. So let's see. So at the top. Oops. Okay. All right, and we're all set. Here we go. Okay, that was quick and easy. Got out of that quickly. Okay, and now we're going to continue going sell again. Okay, we're already at 6,300, so we are way over our goal. Our goal is 5,600 at the end of the month, so we have already went 700 over our goal. So this is a terrific month. This is usually how it is, to be honest with you. Okay, so it wouldn't be so bad. You see how much over we are. It wouldn't be so bad if you wanted to be a little bit more conservative. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, we have about a week left to go, so let's continue. Just go start back over. 5, and that's 50 cents, by the way. If anyone watching this doesn't know that. And we're going to set this to 100 points again, which is 10 pips. Okay, great. And push sell. And we're in. Okay, we're going to put our pending orders. Okay. Sell limit. All right, now we're ready for business. Let's go. Space bar. Okay, that was quick. So I can get in another market order. Let's move all these closer. Remember, it doesn't have to be exact because, it just doesn't have to be exact. This is, for it to come from here to all the way here is That's a lot of pips. Let's see. Pips it is exactly. It's like 170 pips. Yeah, this is the hour chart. So yeah. Okay. Let me see. What am I doing? Pending order. Okay, I don't have any orders in here. Let me go. I'm not pending market order. 10 pips. Push that. All right, and I'm just gonna push sell. Push space bar. So you see I'm in the order. It says sell here. Push space bar. Out of the order. Great, that was quick. Let's do that again. Just keep grabbing. Okay, out of that one as well. I'm just gonna keep setting them. There we go. Mm-hmm. Okay. See, it's just simple. Just stay with the game plan, and everything will be fine. Okay, and I'll put another sell limit here. 44. Let me get rid of 44. It's way up there. Okay, let me put another pending order because all right. All right, and if this was real, of course we would just stop here because we're at the end of the month, and we would be very happy to take out this profit. Excuse me, I had the hiccup there. So we have $6,534, almost. Maybe we'll continue the trading after the first, but almost $1,000 over our goal, which is absolutely terrific. Okay, so you can take that 1,000 out, put 600 towards the next account, and take the 1,000 and just that's all yours. Do whatever you like with it. So that's the beauty of it. It's the beauty of getting a little bit extra at the end of the month. Okay, so now I'm going to just continue. Let's see here. Okay, and I'll just put one more. Pending order at price here. Okay, and market order. All right, and we've done it. So we can just stop here. We've closed out the month. No open orders, and that's how you want it. You don't want to be stuck in any positions or anything. And we are out. Everything's good. We could have been out if we wanted to on the 31st. We chose to go a little bit more. So this may be like a Monday, right? So we went a little bit into Monday and close that out. Everything's good. So. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, message us at forextestingpros.com, or you can message us on Facebook at facebook.com/forextestingpros.com. And if you would like to get a discount for this software that I'm using here called Forex Tester 3, you can go to get $50 to $100 off at our partner page, which is forextester.com/special partner equal symbol Forex Testing Pros, one word. Okay. All right. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy trading, guys. Have a good one.